morning, everybody. Well, I know that you might be struggling with Stop Motion Studio a little bit, so I will explain to you how you can save your project for editing or just for publishing. So, there are actually two ways. You can actually finish it up completely in Stop Motion Studio. However, if you want to apply sounds or different things on it, it's going to cost you money. So if you don't want that, you can actually save just the raw material that you've created in the animation program, and then just save it on your phone and use other apps like iMovie or other editing stuff that might be available on your phone. Or you can put it on your computer and use free editing software if you want to add extra sounds, extra music, etc, 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 etc. But once you're done in Stop Motion Studio, you want to save it. So how do you do that? That's actually quite easy. There are actually two ways to do that. First of all, you can just save it on your phone in your pictures, so you can actually play with it later. How you do that? Well, check first if your film is correct. And if that's correct, you just select it. And then you press on that button and you say export movie, and you scroll down and you say save movie. Then it will take a little bit of time for it to convert it to your album. That's it. If it's completely done in Stop Motion Studio, you can save it straight away on Google Drive. First of all, you do need a Google Drive. If you don't know how to get a Google Drive, just make sure that you have a Gmail and it will work out for itself. So what do you do if you want to save it on Google Drive, which is an app that you have to download on your phone as well? You can export it again, but now you choose Google Drive. Simple, right? So you click it, so not Snapchat, not anything else. Just put it in your Google Drive straight away. Now, well, you pick the one that you like, and you upload it over there. That's how you save it to Google Drive. So once it's completely finished, your work, either you've created it in iTunes and you saved it again on your phone or on Google Drive, as long as you have the finished project eventually on Google Drive as well. You have to hand it in through Elo or Magister. So how do you hand it in on Magister? What you do is you put your stuff on your Google Drive because you have the most space over there, and you don't have to worry about privacy rules if you want to put music underneath or do anything. So please don't put it on YouTube. So what you do, you go to Google Drive, you've saved it over there like I've done. You can actually create a link by clicking on it and then click on deelbare link kopiëren. Like that. Then you have to swipe that small button open. If you don't open it, and now there is a link underneath. And you can copy that and put that in the hand-in tool on Magister. If you have any trouble, please contact your art teacher, your CKV teacher through Teams or through Magister Elo questions, and it will be answered in the Q&A.
That's all, folks.